Panama and the Water Agreement. As reported by the United Nations, this December 9, 2022, protection of human rights in Panama and the Water Agreement reported in the news on Friday. A new initiative seeks to restore infrastructure and renew awareness of human rights. Panama, closer and closer to joining the Water Agreement. Panama held a workshop in which it brought together more than 60 interested parties in cooperation for the management of transboundary waters, thus approaching its prompt accession to the Water Convention, promoted by the UN. The Water Convention is a legal and intergovernmental framework which urges the parties to prevent, control, and reduce negative transboundary impacts on the quality and quantity of water, and at the same time to use shared waters in a reasonable and equitable manner and to guarantee its sustainable management through cooperation. The Convention also supports countries in adapting and mitigating the impact of climate change in transboundary basins. In Latin America, 71% of surface water comes from shared river basins. Panama is a natural bridge and biological corridor of the continent, and shares the basins of the Sixela and Jurado rivers with Costa Rica and Colombia, respectively. After the interest of countries such as the Dominican Republic, Panama's accession to the convention could serve to attract more countries in the region to become part of this international instrument.